Turn It Down and Save Your Ears. This is a play that shows that your ears are very important and that it is very easy to lose your hearing. That is why every once in a while you need to turn down the music.
Hey, what was that for?
You've been listening to your music very loud lately. I'm worried about you.
I'm fine. I just need a little music to get through school today.
Okay, well, be careful.
I'm always careful.
Sure you are.
Mom, I'm home.
Oh, hi, honey. How about you go put your stuff in your room?
Mom, the weirdest thing happened to me today at school.
Really? Are you okay? Do you want to talk about it?
Sure. I was listening to my music and all of a sudden I heard a weird ringing sound in my ear.
It sounds like you're losing your hearing. Mom, is Carrie going to be okay? Of course she is. Get in the car. We're going to the doctor.
Hi, Miss Carrie. It says here that you've been having a slight ringing in your ears lately.
Wait, what?
It's just as a thought. You have slight hearing loss. Have you been listening to anything really loud lately, like music?
Yes, I listen to my music on full blast normally.
That's one of the, have you have a ringing? Well, you do have ringing in your ear. So that's one of the signs of slight hearing loss. So maybe you need to turn down the music every once in a while and just save your hearing. You will be able to hear better whenever you get your hearing aid.
Can she get her hearing fixed?
Her hearing aid will do that for her.
Okay.
A very important part of your body that gives you the ability to hear. It's almost impossible to get it back. According to the Journal of Pediatrics, 12.5% of kids ages 6 to 19 suffer from hearing loss as a result of using headphones turned to a high volume. So open your mind, turn it down, and save your ears.